Hi everyone, it's Mark Repp, Technology Trainer of Port Huron Schools, and today I have a tip on how to use a document camera within a Zoom meeting. Now first of all, you may not have the document camera software to install on your laptop, so I'm going to make that easy for you. The first thing I'd like you to do is to go down to the bottom left corner and you're going to use the Windows search. So click on the magnifying glass and type in the word camera into the search box. And we're doing the camera search just to see if you have the camera already. If you do, then you don't have to do the next step. But if you don't have a camera that pops up at the top, type in the word store, S-T-O-R-E, and then it should bring up Microsoft Store. Now we're going to click on Microsoft Store and open it up. And then you can go to the right corner and look for the search button right there. Click on search. And I'd like you to then type in the word camera. We're going to do a search for something called the Windows Camera, the Windows Camera app. You're going to see this button that will pop up next. You're going to see Get. I'd like you to click on Get. And then the next thing that will happen is it will go into this little arrow section, which means that it's downloading. These are the downloading apps. You can click on the arrow and see what your progress is, but it will be downloading here. And then when it's done, it will appear in this section called Installed. You can click on Installed, and then you would see the camera app here. So once it's installed, you will be able to come down here to the magnifying glass, click on it, and then search for camera. Camera will then come up like this, and then you can either right-click and choose Pin to Taskbar, or you can come over here to the right and click Pin to Taskbar. This will create a shortcut on your desktop. You'll see my camera is right here. I'd like to drag it all the way over to the left. I want my camera right here. So now when you click on that little camera app icon, you now have the camera app. And you can see that my front-facing camera on the laptop is showing my face. But the next step is more important. If you plug in your district document camera into your laptop, just simply plug it into the side, you'll hear a sound. It will then connect. I'm going to maximize this window and show you what you can do next. Now, you'll see right here you have the Change Camera button. If you click on the Change Camera button, so when you click on this button, it should allow you to change between your front-facing camera like this and your document camera like this. And so now I have a document camera showing whatever is under it. I could then take a picture if I'd like to by clicking on the little button here that says Take Picture or Take Video. You'll notice I can click Picture here. This is going to be a still photo. It looks like a stationary camera. When I click on the video camera, I now have the video option, and I could click the button here, the white button, to record a video. If I'm using the still picture camera, I could click on that white button, and I could actually take a snapshot of whatever is under the camera. The picture then shows up here in the bottom right corner, and you get a little camera roll where you can take several photos, open them up by clicking on them, and now you can see the photo you just took. I can click the arrow and come back, and you can do the very same thing with the video icon. Click the video button, and if you had something that was moving under here, or if we were using the document camera to record video, click the stop button, and you now have a video down here, and you can click on it, and you now have a recorded video. If I jump up here and I click Change Camera, I'm now right back to my front-facing laptop camera. Now I'll stop my camera and I'll start a Zoom meeting. And now you will simply click from the pop-up arrow which camera you would like to use in the Zoom meeting. I'd like to use my document camera for right now, so I'll click Record X USA. Then click on Start Video. And now I'm showing my document camera inside of a Zoom meeting. If I want to jump back to my face, I simply click on the arrow again, and this time choose Integrated Webcam. And now you can see my face. And while I'm in the Zoom meeting, I can jump back and forth between my face and the document camera from within this video pop-up arrow. Now I'm back to the document camera, and I can show whatever item I'd like underneath the camera. Also, on the front of your camera, on the neck of it, you can come down and you will see that there's a flip button, which will allow you to flip your camera. Just click flip on the front of the camera, and it will flip the camera up or down. Now I want to go back to my face. I can click this pop-up arrow and jump back to integrated webcam. Now, if I'm sharing my screen inside of Zoom, I can also do this. When I click on Share Screen, I can jump over to Advanced, because right now I'm using my front-facing camera. When I click Advanced, I also have this. It looks like a document camera. In the Advanced tab, simply click Content from Second Camera, and then click Share. This time, you are sharing your document camera. So now I have my face in this window, and I have the document camera in the shared window that all the students can see. And I'll be able to see all of the students over here at the right while they're looking at whatever is under the document camera. When I'm done sharing, I can click Stop Share, and now the students are back to looking at me. I can pop back and forth 2 different ways using these features of Zoom in combination with the camera app that we downloaded from the Microsoft Store. I'll end my Zoom meeting now. I can always go back to my camera app, and if I want to record something, I can jump back over to video, and I can use my document camera as a video recorder. And that's a look at how you can use the camera app from the Microsoft Store as a controller for your document camera, and use it within Zoom, toggling back and forth between the front-facing camera and your document camera. Hopefully this has helped you. I'm Mark Repp. Please join me again for another video. Bye for now.